Well, I guess we'll just have to go all the way around.
But Emperor Land is straight ahead.
Yeah.
So why not go over that?
No, this way is better.
But shortcuts are shorter.
Not always. Now, come on, it's not that far. Guys, stop! Eric, I said stop! All right. All right. We'll keep going, but take it nice and slow. And what say we don't look down, okay? Atticus, what did I just say? Whoa, whoa.
G'day, sport.
Hi.
Where you heading?
Home?
Oh, yeah? So am I.
If you don't mind backing up a little bit, we'll just squeeze past.
That's the one thing I can't do, matey.
Huh?
Back up. The Beachmaster backs up for nobody.
Then maybe you can move sideways.